In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ChatGPT locally. If you'd like quick access to ChatGPT without opening a web browser every time, using the official Windows application is a convenient option. The setup process is simple, and once it's complete, you'll be able to access ChatGPT directly from your desktop whenever you need it. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. Once the browser opens, click the search bar at the top of the page and type ChatGPT for Windows. Press Enter to view the search results. You'll see several results related to the ChatGPT application. Make sure you select the official OpenAI page so you're getting the authentic version of the application. After opening the official page, take a moment to review the information that's provided. This page explains the features of the Windows application, including how it gives you convenient access to ChatGPT from your computer. Reading through the overview can also help you confirm that you're on the correct page before continuing. When you're ready, click the button to get the Windows application. Your browser will begin transferring the application to your computer. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments to complete. Once the process finishes, follow the prompts provided on your screen to complete the setup. After everything is ready, open the ChatGPT application from your desktop or Start menu. Sign in with your OpenAI account if you're prompted to do so. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to ChatGPT directly from the Windows application, making it easy to start new conversations without first opening your browser. Using the desktop application can make ChatGPT more convenient for everyday tasks such as writing, brainstorming, summarizing information, or answering questions. Since it connects directly to your OpenAI account, you'll be able to access your conversations and continue where you left off. That's all there is to it. You can now use ChatGPT from the Windows application whenever you need it, providing a faster and more convenient way to access AI from your computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,